Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Publix. Today is July the 2nd, and these deals run until July the 8th, and in some places, July the 9th. So these deals are all digital, so you're using your phone to score on all of these deals, so no need to clip any coupons. Now, as always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write the deals down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. Now, it helps me a ton when you guys are interacting with this video, when you are liking, sharing, subscribing, and also commenting. It helps me to keep bringing these videos back to you every week. Let's go ahead and get started with our first deal. Now, this is a no coupon needed deal, but this is on the Capri Sun. I feel like this is a really good deal because we are moving into July and it is hot outside. The Capri Sun, the Roaring Waters one, is actually my favorite one because it has 1 gram of total sugars for those. But the Capri Suns are $4. They're buy one, get one free. So each box is just $2. I'm always looking for good deals on meat, and so the Perdue Chicken is on sale. It is $6.99 per pound. Buy one, get one free. So, going to be a good deal on the chicken. Always make sure you're stocking up when you have good deals on meat like this, especially when it's like a stable meat that you use all the time. I have not seen a good deal on like these Tide pods like this in a long time. I used to get these a ton at CVS. So the Tide pods are $8.99. Buy one, get one free is going to make them $4.50. There is a $1.50 coupon on the Publix app. Just click that app, put your phone number into the register, and you're going to be saving $1.55, making the Tide Pods $2.95. The same deal on the Game Pods. Again, these are expensive. They're $9 for a bag of pods. They're buy one, get one free, so they'll be $4.50. There is a $1.55 coupon on the Game Pods, making them $2.95. So you could get a bag of Tide and a bag of Gain and save on both of them. This would not be one of my Publix videos if I did not show you a deal on bacon. So the bacon is usually $9.99 for the black label bacon, which is my favorite, that Hormel. So $10 on those. It is buy one, get one free. So each pack is going to be $5. No coupons on this item. We have a pretty good deal on the Yoplait yogurt. These are $6.39. They're buy one, get one free. So essentially each one is $3.20. You're gonna pick up two. Your total is $6.39 or $6.40. So you'll pick up two at $6.40. The first thing at the register, you're going to take $1.50 off with that Publix coupon. So that Publix coupon is going to come off at the register, making both of them $4.90. And then you're going to head on over to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on each one. So with that buy one, get one free, that $1.50 coupon, that $1 back from Ibotta, it's going to make your total $3.90 or $1.95 per pack of yogurt, Yoplait yogurt. I think this is a great deal on the cream cheese blocks. I got some, well, I didn't get it. I saw some of the Philadelphia cream cheese somewhere. I don't know. I think it was Food Line, and it was like $5 for this cream cheese. I was like, it was a tiny little container too. It wasn't the big container. But the Publix cream cheese is $3.29. It is buy one, get one free. So each block is $1.65. So $1.65 on these, easy peasy. I'm actually going to get these so I can make some jalapeno poppers soon. So good deal on those. Just want to remind you, if you're appreciating these deals, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe and that notification bell so you know when all of my deals are coming out. Now, next up is this kombucha. I've never had kombucha before. Have you had it? How's it taste? These are $3.99. They are buy one, get one free. So with it buy one, get one free, it's going to be $2 each. You're going to pick up two of them Picking up two, of course, is going to make it that total of $4. We have a $2 coupon that's going to apply from the Publix app. And then because that $2 coupon is going to make the kombucha for both of them $2 or $1 each. And if you have had this before, tell me your favorite flavors. This is the Cracker Barrel cheese. It is usually $5 and 29 cents. With it being buy one get one free, it's going to make it $2.65. We do have an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back. So it makes it really easy. You get that BOGO and that 75 cents back on Ibotta, making the cheese $1.90 each. This is interesting because I've been, showing you these deals on broth because I always pick up broth when they're, every week for cooking and such. And this is actually cheaper than it's been in a while. So these are $2.79. Buy one, get one free is going to make each of these $1.40. Now, I think that I've been seeing these for around $3 and then the buy one, get one free, but $2.79 has been the cheapest. But makes me happy to see some of these prices coming down. I showed you this deal last week on the Nature Valley bars, but we still have it again this week. We have a ton of coupons, and the Nature Valley products are buy one, get one free. Now, these are the cheapest ones. They're $5, but buy one, get one free makes them $2.50. The best coupon we have is a $1 off coupon on one item. That's going to make it $1.50, but you can see we have a ton of Nature Valley coupons. So if you want to go ahead and stock up on these and use the buy one get one free in the variety of coupons, I definitely would do that if this is something that you eat frequently. But $1.50 for this is a good deal. I did not realize how expensive it was to buy chili, like hot dog chili. And I like the Orel chili with no beans. Tell me in the comments what you like. Do you like the beans or no beans? But I am not going to spend $3.29 on this chili for hot dogs because it gets wasted in my house. Like I like chili on my hot dog, and one of the kids likes it. So two people out of the seven like the hot dog chili, and so I hate buying it when it's just a regular price. But being on sale at $3.29 with the buy one get one free is going to make it $1.65. So I'm definitely going to be stocking up on this for when we have chili dogs. We generally have coupons on Pillsbury products, and I just hate how expensive Pillsbury products have become over time. So these Pillsbury biscuits are $3.49. And I just think that's crazy to be that much. So they're going to be $1.75 a can. You're going to pick up two. You'll pay that $3.49. And then there is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. It'll bring the total down to $2.50 or $1.25. So make sure you're not buying these full price. You're buying when they're buy one get one free and when there's a coupon out there because $3.50 for biscuits is high. I want to make sure that you do see this. This is the BandAid coupon on the Publix app. It's save $1 on BandAid products. A lot of times, Publix will also come out with a $2 BandAid coupon in the green flyer you find at the front of the store. So be looking out for that to see if it's in there. I am not sure. I forgot to pick up a green flyer, but always clip these coupons when you see them in the store because you can combine the Publix coupons, the digital coupons with the Publix green flyer coupons. One of those is a manufacturer coupon from the Publix app, and one is a store coupon from the flyer. So you can use both of those on one item. The Colgate Optic White toothpaste is really expensive. It's $8.99 or $4.50. We have a $3 coupon on the Publix app, and it's going to bring this toothpaste total down to $1.50. Now, I generally don't pay over $1 for toothpaste, but considering this toothpaste is, $9, and I think at CVS it's over $10, it is okay to pay $1.50 for this toothpaste. Have you used the Colgate Optic White? Is it worth it? Does it get your teeth? The three shades of white in 3 days. Like, does it claim to do what it's supposed to do? if you plan on making one of those, I think I'm gonna make it. It's like a fruit salad with Cool Whip and the pudding packet. I'm gonna make that for the 4th of July dessert in my house this weekend. So the Cool Whip is on sale. It is $4.59 or $2.30 each. You're gonna pick up two of them, so it'll be $4.59. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is gonna bring your total down to $3.60 or $1.80 per container. So it has to be the 8 to 16 ounce, and the 16 ounce is on sale. I don't think the 8 ounce is on sale. So this is interesting. The Kraft mac and cheese. I have not seen it this low on a buy one get one free in quite some time. So these are $1.59 with that buy one get one free. Each box is just going to be 80 cents. So I haven't seen Kraft macaroni and cheese below a dollar in a while. I know at Target, last year I would get them and they would be a dollar, and then I had like an Ibotta rebate for 25 cents. But this is the buy one get one free for 80 cents at Publix, and it's a decent deal. I'm gonna blow you guys' mind because I am not buying ketchup this week. I know it. I'm not buying it. I stocked up a couple weeks ago, and I have about 6 bottles from when we had that $3 off 15 coupon. So I'm good to go for a while, but it'll probably just last me a month knowing these kids. So the Heinz tomato ketchup is $5.99. It's going to be $3 after that BOGO. Now, I didn't do this deal, but please let me know if this is the correct deal in the comments. This is a really good deal on the Beggin strips, but like I said, this may not be right. 12.99. I don't have a dog, so I didn't do the deal. 12.99 on these. They're buy one get one free. So each bag is going to be $6.50. We have a high valued $5 Ibotta rebate. It's going to bring this down to $1.50. But if somebody in the comments can please confirm that this is working. So $13 down to $6.50. $5 I bought a rebate will make these bags $1.50. I brought you this deal last week at Publix. If you didn't do the deal, you can still do it. So the Airwick Essential Mist things are $12.99. There is a $6 coupon on the Publix app. It will bring it down to $6.99 at the register. And then there's also a $6 Ibotta rebate. So with that $6 Ibotta rebate in that coupon, it's going to bring the Essential Mist down to 99 cents. I like to stock up on these, keep them in my coupon stockpile, because when I make baskets for people, I like to like put one of these in it as like, a care basket or whatever. I brought this deal to you last week, but if you did not use the Lysol coupon, you can still do it this week. So the Lysol items are $5.69 or $2.85 each. There is a 75-cent coupon on the Publix app if you didn't use it last week, which is going to bring the Lysol products down to $2.10. So I love it when these tomato products are on sale like this. These are $1.91 or roughly like 96 cents each. But I'll stock up on these when they're buy one get one free like this. For the Rotel, I'll use it during football season to make different dips with the different types of Hunt's tomatoes. I'll use it when I'm making my soups in the winters and just any kind of dishes, but I don't like buying them when they're on full price. So being buy one get one free makes me happy. So about 96 cents for these products. So recently I used some of the Kinder seasoning. This is just like a really basic one they have from Kinder's. It's like salt, pepper, garlic, and I don't know. It's got like a black label on it, but it is really good. I do love the Kinder seasoning. That buttered steakhouse one, very good. So these are $5.99. They're buy one get one free. So each of the Kinder seasonings is going to be just $3, which I think is a pretty great deal on the seasoning. Gotta love it when the finished dishwashing detergent is on sale. So this is $5.99. 99 cents for the regular ones. They're buy one, get one free. So each one is $3. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. So easy peasy, just pick one of these up, clip that coupon, and it's going to make the finished tabs just $1. All right, that's all I have for you. 24 easy digital deals. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if there's anything that I missed or any deals you think I should highlight on my Instagram channel, please let me know in the comments. It really helps me out when you guys do that. As always, let me know if you made it to the end of the video. It makes my heart warm when you guys do that, because making it to the end shows me that you are committed and you're staying through the end, and that helps me to keep bringing these videos back to you every single week. I hope you have a blessed holiday weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.